How to change date on iPhone. To change date on your iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up Settings on your iPhone. Once you are in, you need to scroll down to the General option. Then, tap on it. Here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Now scroll down to the Date and Time option. Tap on it. Once you're in, tap on the date. Now, tap over here. Select the month and year from here manually. Or you can just toggle on the Set Automatically option. By doing that, you don't have to set the date and time manually. So by following these simple steps, you can easily change date on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.